Hello students, today we will discuss some important matrices. Uh, in this type of matrix, here we have a triangle on upper side. Okay, you can write it as upper triangle, upper triangular matrix, because in this matrix we have a triangle on upper side. And if a triangle have if a matrix have a triangle on lower side, you can say it as lower triangular triangular matrix. But we have a common name of these two matrices. You can say it as triangular matrix. Okay, because in these matrices, triangular matrices, because in these both matrices we have triangle rather on upper side or lower side. Now let us start some easy examples. If a matrix have only one column, this is called column matrix. If a matrix have only one row, this is called row matrix. Okay, in this type of matrix, when we have number of rows 1, 2, and number of columns 1, 2. This is 3 by 3 matrix. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. In both examples, you can say that number of rows are equal number of column. You can see it as square matrix, because this matrix have equal number of rows and equal number of columns. In this matrix, number of rows and number of columns are equal. In square matrix, number of rows and number of columns are equal. In this type of matrix, when all the entries of a matrix are 0, you can say it as 0 or null matrix. Okay. In this type of question, this diagonal entries are present in this diagonal and all other entries are 0, 0. We have entries only on diagonal. This is called diagonal matrix. In this type of matrix, if a matrix have entries only on diagonal, all other entries are 0, 0. You can see it as diagonal matrix. If a matrix have entries on diagonal but entries are same, here we can see all the entries of diagonal are same, 2, 2, 2. Here all the entries of diagonal are different. This is called simple diagonal matrix. But if a matrix have where entries of diagonal are same, 2 2 2, entries of diagonal are same, you can say it as scalar matrix. In scalar matrix, entries of diagonal are same. If the entries of diagonal are same, but this is 1 1, this is 3 by 3, this is 2 by 2 matrix, but you can see all other entries are 0 0, and we have 1 1 1 on diagonal. You can say it as unit matrix. In unit matrix, all the entries of diagonal are 1 1 1. Okay, let us take some more examples of matrix. Singular and non-singular matrix. Singular matrix. If a determinant of a matrix is 0, this is a singular matrix. If a determinant of a matrix is non-zero, this is called a non-singular matrix. So we will find the determinant of a matrix. We will multiply 2 with 2, minus sign, 4 with 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Plus 4 and minus 4. It will be cancelled and answer is 0. Hence, matrix A is simple. A is singular matrix. What is the definition of singular matrix? If a matrix have determinant 0, this is called singular matrix. What is the non-singular matrix? We can take another example and again we will find the determinant of A. Now again for the determinant we multiply 2 with 2. Between them we put sign of minus sign, 5 with 2. Multiply 2 with 2, 2 2s are 4. Multiply 2 with 5, 2 5s are 10. This is minus 6. It means this is a non-singular matrix. Okay, students, remember it. If our determinant is 0, if our determinant is 0, this is a singular matrix and you can never find the inverse of singular matrix. You can find the inverse of only non-singular matrix. Now next we will find the transpose of a matrix. It's very simple. You can change rows into columns. How can I find the transpose of a matrix? You can change only interchange of rows into columns. 2 3, this is a row, it will become column. 1 4, this is a row, it will become column. Simple what is transpose of a matrix? Interchange of rows into columns. Again, this is a 3 by 3 column. This is a, sorry, not 3 by 3. How many rows? 2 rows and 1 2 3, 3 columns. And we know that what is the transpose of a matrix? Interchange of rows into columns. 1 2 minus 3. This was our row Now we will write it as column 540. Here again check how many rows now. 1, 2, 3. How many columns? This matrix have 3 rows and now 2 columns, and you can see that we changed rows into columns and columns into rows.